What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we are going to be going to the Skyway fishing pier.
Yes.
And it's going to be our first time, so hopefully we catch some big fish and we're going to have a good time.
Alright. We're a mile away.
We're on the bridge. Finally. There's the actual pier.
The actual bridge.
Oh, the actual bridge. This is our first time. And just look at that. Hopefully there's some big fish out there. We can probably see Anna
It's probably Anna Maria. I remember the island right there by itself.
Alright guys, so we are on the pier now. We got a bunch of shrimp. And I'm gonna just show you guys what we are. So right here we got Dad's rod. He is using some shrimp. I'm right here, shrimp as well. And Kira, right here, is using a squid lure that I haven't used in like 2 years. And I bought it 2 years ago, so.
And I had a big fish on, but like, I'm not used to like with the...
Yeah. It's the reel. We could probably switch it, but, so yeah. Dad with a, oh, it's a Jack Crevalle. It's a Jack Crevalle.
You got him?
Nice. Oh, let's go.
Technical. Too small.
Boom. That's crazy. It's a Jack Crevalle.
It's my first jack. I don't want to. I'll put him back.
Look at
You
that.
got Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy.
Oh, that
Oh, he's croaking.
Alright. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright, buddy. Hold on. I'm going to put you back. Just relax. There you go.
Sweet.
That's fun.
Let's go.
That is fun.
Didn't really get the fight on video, but got a snapper, and we're gonna see what his size is. Has to be 10. Ow, Kira.
on the scales.
0, 8. Kira, put it down. Put it down. No, don't. He has teeth. Go, just toss it back. Nice. A little jerkbait and just tossing it out there. There's a bunch of mackerel just going crazy. But, there's so much bait fish on this pier. Dad, I got something. It's a Jack Crevalle. No, got tangled. Nope. I don't know what it is. I think it's a mackerel. A mackerel. Yes, I was. Yep. Oh man. Get the pliers, Dad. I'm not trying to get. Got it. I got him. Just like that. Sweet! First fish. Now for the release. Woo! Let's go! Come on. It's okay. You guys saw what happened, but we got him off the hook safely, and you guys aren't going to believe me, but we still have my bait. We just got him in the wing, but it didn't look that bad, so. Gotta go pretty fast. Oh my god, I got one! Oh man. Kira, I got one! I got one! Oh! I don't want her to break off. Chill. Yes. Yes. Okay.
Nice. What is that?
Got him. It's a mackerel, Spanish mackerel. sharp teeth. Kira, get the pliers. Kira, get the pliers. Hurry up. Kira. Never mind, I got him. I think he's big enough, but oh! Did you see that? Yes, I did. Dad, I got one. Oh shoot! Uh-oh. Grab the line. Grab the line. Yes.
Dad, this bait is too good.
No, it's a. Put it down. Put it down. It has multiple hooks, so he can catch it. Let him go crazy. It's a mackerel, Dad. All right, wait. I think this is just a regular mackerel.
Yeah, it doesn't have spots.
My camera wasn't on, but I got a little tiny, what looks to be a pinfish. Holy smokes. Yeah. This is the fish species of the day. Someone comment down below what type of fish this is. 'Cause I have no idea. I will definitely search it up, but I have no idea. Yeah, it's a big mackerel.
Attacked my bait.
Jerk bait.
Attacked my leg. And then the whole top of my pole came with it, and we watched it sink.
Yeah, it went so the fish attacked it so fast. It was a big one too. So it broke off the line so fast that also, I guess this came off as well.
Yeah. Now look at my line now, guys. So awesome. Gonna catch it.
Well, alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. We caught in total 6 different species of fish. Spanish mackerel, mangrove snapper, jack crevalle, some bait fish. Yeah. I think it was a threadfish. And then we caught like a pinfish or something. Yeah. And then we caught in total, all of us, 7 fish. I'd say that's pretty good for the first time ever going on the Skyway Bridge. Yeah. I really recommend it. There's a bathroom here. There's a bait shop. There's just so much. So I really recommend it. Make sure to visit this place. And yeah, see you in that next video. Peace.